Even if you don't use the myriad of controls the camera control button offers, you cannot deny that it gives you the quickest way to access your iPhone's camera. That's it. By default, it takes 2 presses to launch the camera if your iPhone's display is off. The first press wakes up the iPhone and the second press launches it. In this guide, I will show you how to bypass the first step and launch the iPhone camera with a single press of camera control. Apple has added this feature with iOS 18.2 Developer Beta 3. You can click the I button to learn how to install this update or wait for the stable release in December. To enable this single press camera launch function, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Open the display and brightness setting and scroll to the bottom. Turn off the toggle for the require screen on option. And that's it, your iPhone will instantly launch the camera even if the display is off. In addition to this useful setting, iOS 18.2 Beta 3 also allows you to add volume control to the lock screen and disable video looping in the Photos library. For more details on these features, watch these videos next. If you found this guide useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next one.